Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove restrictions or unrestrict a person on Messenger. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch Messenger, and once you've opened the app you need to click on your profile, which is in the top left hand corner of the screen. And once you're on your profile, you then need to tap on privacy, which is right below mobile number, and at this point you're required to click on restricted accounts. So in order to remove restrictions or unrestricted person on Messenger, you must first have someone restricted, and you simply need to tap on the person and click on unrestricted. And that's pretty much how you go about removing restrictions or unrestricting a person on Messenger. So if you guys found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.